They go on the attack through center. Here he is, shot right in front. He scores! Austin Matthews, clutch.
What a goal. He beats the goaltender way out of position. Beautiful move.
Moves the puck along the half wall. The Oilers play it along the boards. Hammers a shot. Scores! Connor McDavid!
Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only can see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Here's a short pass to Wheeler. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. The Jets looking against the half wall. Scores! And they are on a roll now, Razor.
You can start to see this game's going to run away if the goal scoring doesn't slow down here. Man, his teammate could get rich with passes like this. What a move that opens up everybody. And then he lays off it in a simple one for him.
The Canadiens move it in. Here's an opportunity. Scores! And look at the glare from the goaltender after that went off someone in front.
Oh, the goaltender's tracking this well, James, till it hits the defender's stick. It changes the arc. He can't get to it. It's in the net.
It's been a tight affair to this point. Third period is now underway. Oh, what a... They're on the board! Puts it into the net!
Play over half a game of hockey and there's no goals. There's been some really good chances. But finally, someone's able to finish a play. What a nifty play. He uses great moves to pull the goaltender out of position, slides it across, and his teammate gets to slam it into the cage.
From the left side, they gain the zone. Here he is, shot right in front. He scores! Jumps all over his rebound and puts it in.
Quick shot on the first attempt, but that rebound came right back to him. And he's able to settle it and put it into the net before anyone else can stop him. Man, that's gotta hurt.
Everybody loved it but him. Here he is in front. He scores! Lights the lamp on the one-timer.
Really nice play. Quick pass on the tape and into the net. So quickly the goalie can't get closed up and make the save.